Turn your commute into a study powerhouse. Are you a commuter looking to supercharge your study sessions? Let's transform those bus, train, or subway rides into golden opportunities for learning and productivity. Studying on public transit. 1. Dive into course materials. Load up your phone or tablet with textbooks, articles, and ebooks. For quick bursts of knowledge, flashcards are your best friends. They're way easier to handle than long PDFs. 2. Plug into audio learning. Whether it's recorded lectures, podcasts, or audiobooks, listening to study materials lets you master multitasking and make every minute count. 3. Your voice, your teacher. Record yourself reviewing notes or quizzing your knowledge. Then, listen to your own voice guiding you through the material during your commute. General commuter study tips. 1. Routine is key. Establish a consistent sleep and wake schedule. Map out your weekly study goals to stay on track. 2. Stay organized. Productivity apps are lifesavers. They help you keep your tasks in order and your mind clutter-free. 3. Find your study nook. Seek out a quiet, well-lit spot on the bus or train. This will help you concentrate better when reading or taking notes. 4. Communicate. Let your professors, group members, and academic advisor know that you commute. This keeps everyone in the loop about any occasional delays. 5. Catch up strategically. Have a plan for catching up on any missed classes. Get notes from classmates or use online resources to stay ahead. 6. Overcome delays. Don't let commute issues become an excuse. Persevere, find creative solutions, and keep pushing forward. You see, friends? The magic lies in making your commute time work for you by embracing both auditory and visual study methods. With some smart planning and a dash of organization, you can seamlessly weave studying into your daily routine. Get ready to transform your travel time into a powerhouse of productivity. Thank you for watching this video on Studying Machine. We hope these commuter study tips help you turn your travel time into a powerhouse of productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and effective study strategies. Keep learning, stay motivated, and let's make every journey a step towards success. Happy studying!